What's up, everybody? I am playing Pokemon Fire Red on the Switch, and yeah, this is my first time posting it. I'm doing a Nuzlocke, right? This is my first time posting because the game is pretty easy, but this is where I am so far, and this is the first time where I'm like, I don't know what's gonna happen. So this is the team I'm working with. The thing about this is that the level cap is like 47, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 47. But I don't know, man. I'm just gonna go for it. Like I said, this game's it's kind of easy. But I'm gonna bite my words. I'm gonna bite my words for that. Shoot my own foot. I like scaring them from behind. You gotta save for good luck. Nuzlocke, Gym 7, here we go. I don't even know what this guy has. Probably a Ninetales, Rapidash, and Arcanine. Maybe like a Growlithe first. Better have a Burn Heal. So, yeah, Growlithe. Alright, so I can set up on this guy. 42. And doesn't matter. I'm going all special on this guy. Let's do a little rain dance. So if that counts as one of the rain... Does that count as one of the turns? So that's one. And then I'd have... If I do this, it's two. The rain would be done by the time the ace is out. So I think I just go for it. He has a Ponyta? You don't even have a Rapidash? Bro, what is this guy thinking? And we crit. Okay, so he does have a Rapidash, but like, why doesn't he have a Ninetales? Okay. So yeah, he's got 4 levels on me. But it's raining. And I'm faster. That's crazy to me. I'm sorry. One shot. See, this game's really easy. like I'm down 4 levels, and I still beat him. Clean sweep. Set up, destroy. 98 speed, I guess, is pretty fast. It's faster than I thought. I didn't realize Seadra was this fast. Volcanobadge. Thank you. See you later.